Zunyi Hanfeng Decoration Materials Co., Ltd., after 9 years of technical research, successfully developed
the world's first semi-dry continuous gypsum block.
The workshop is based on the MAX system.
automatically acquires the weighing data to realize the automatic accounting of materials. Tank trucks transport raw materials to the silo. The MAX system creates a new production order, and the work order data is sent to PCS. The PC's system conducts self-check on the equipment. After passing the self-check, the screw conveyor starts. Transport the raw materials from the raw material bin. The waste elevator adds material to the waste beam. Add the self-made mixture of Hanfeng to the water tank to achieve mixing, the accurate control of gypsum hydration time. The system controls the material entering the mixing bin and stir at high speed. The mixer, it uses non-stick materials independently developed by Hanfeng, is transformed. The possible agglomerated materials after mixing. When the hopper is full, EGV is sent to the defective goods. After crushing, the mixed material is screened and sent to the transition bin by belt. To the forming device. Quickly extruded on both sides. Blocks are sent to curing belt by brick receiver.
The steam is produced by the hydration reaction of gypsum.
Natural curing to promote the full hydration. The curing belt has AI vision equipment to detect whether the product quality is qualified.
The device removes the unqualified products.
The defective materials are removed to the recycle bin. When the bin is full, AGV will send it to the defective goods. After being crushed,
Reuse the qualified products.
the manipulator grabs the qualified product and stacks it. After stacking, it will be packaged.
The EGV will deliver the products to the finished goods.
Customer orders, trucks arrive to load. Create an outbound order in the system.
The AGV will deliver the products from the finished goods warehouse too.
Forklift truck loads in the area. To better serve customers, Hanfeng developed the Equipment Intelligent Cloud Platform using 5G network and Internet of Things technology to collect real-time data of the equipment. Based on algorithm models, predictive maintenance, to ensure stable and efficient operation, reduce equipment failure rate and downtime, and increase revenue.